Taper. We moderators are concerned that you may be harassing other members of our community. Is it true you track the messages of others and compile them to create a profile?
Yes. I am Taper XZ. I am the Internet Overlord.
Is it true you then misrepresent these facts and try to make others look bad on the boards?
Yes. But I only do it for their own good. You see, they do not realize that they will never be the hunter that I am. They need to be submissive to me, for I am the Internet Overlord.
I see. So you do not deny being something of a cyberstalker. Is that a reservoir tip on your head?
Why do people keep asking me that? I am Taper XZ. You should kneel before me and acknowledge my supremeness.
The moderators believe you may be trying to inflate your online persona at the expense of others. You realize you cannot make yourself look better by putting other people down, don't you?
I am Taper XZ. I am the Internet Overlord. Kneel before me and accept me as your king and your god. You will find I am generous and kind. All I ask is that you kneel, and perhaps lick my toes a little.
Taper. You are not the Internet Overlord. Overlords do not have OCD. You are a strange little man with an odd, high-pitched voice typing on a keyboard. If Calgon posters were dogs, you would be a chihuahua. A little dog wearing latex. Aren't you warm? Please refrain from posting things that are not helpful. We will be watching you.
But I am
a pinhead. You are a pinhead, Taper. Cut the crap. You are only hurting yourself. This is why people think you are a tool.